In this video, I will show how to make a patriotic theme keychain. I made this for the purpose of gifting to my son's teachers for Valentines Day Gift Exchange in his class. I already cut few strips out of blue, red and white clay. Place these strips on a piece of craft clay. This can be passed through a pasta machine, not on the smaller settings. You should go from 3 to 4, 5, 6 like that. Otherwise that pattern will be distorted. Tack it on another piece of craft clay. Two pieces of the stripe pattern from the veneer we made with a cookie cutter. I'm using star. Take one eye pin or a piece of wire and form a loop and rub with a little clay. Sandwich that wire piece between two stars and make it stick together very well. I'm covering the edges with a strip of red clay. Smooth it with the tools you have. You can use anything, toothpick or silicone tip tools or any other sculpting tools. As I am using Primo clay, I bake for 275 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. You can do according to your package directions. Once it is cooled inside the oven, take it up, buff or sand if you need, and add it to the keychain. I bought it from Walmart only. It's ready. Let's all make one to upload New England Patriots on their victory.